Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about investing in the stock market, everything you need to know, from the basics to advanced strategies. If you're new to investing, don't worry. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started. If you're already an experienced investor, we'll give you some tips and strategies to take your investment portfolio to the next level. So, let's dive in. What is the stock market? The stock market is a platform where publicly traded companies sell ownership shares to investors. These shares represent a portion of the company's ownership and give the investor the right to vote on certain company decisions and receive a portion of the company's profits in the form of dividends. Types of stocks. There are two main types of stocks, common and preferred. Common stocks represent ownership in a company, and the shareholder has the right to vote on certain company decisions. Preferred stocks, on the other hand, have a fixed dividend payment and take priority over common stocks when it comes to payouts. How the stock market works. The stock market is a complex system, but at a basic level, it's a place where buyers and sellers come together to trade stocks. When a company goes public, it issues shares of stock, which are then bought and sold by investors on the stock market. The price of a stock is determined by supply and demand, and fluctuations in the stock market can be affected by a variety of factors, such as company earnings, economic indicators, and geopolitical events. Risk versus reward. One of the key aspects of investing in the stock market is the risk versus reward trade-off. Stocks are considered riskier than other investment options, such as bonds or savings accounts, but they also have the potential for higher returns. Diversification. Presenter. To reduce the risk of investing in the stock market, it's important to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a variety of different stocks across different industries, rather than putting all your money into one company or industry. Section 2. How to invest in stocks. How to buy stocks. There are several ways to buy stocks, including through a brokerage account, a robo-advisor, or a direct stock purchase plan. Each method has its own advantages and disadvantages, and it's important to choose the one that's right for you. How to choose stocks. Before investing in any stock, it's important to do your research and analyze the company's financials, management team, and industry trends. This will help you make informed decisions and avoid investing in companies that are unlikely to perform well in the long term. Strategies for investing in stocks. Presenter. There are several different strategies for investing in stocks, including value investing, growth investing, and dividend investing. Each strategy has its own advantages and disadvantages, and it's important to choose the one that's right for your investment goals and risk tolerance. Cut to the third section with visual aids. Section 3. Advanced strategies. Technical analysis. Technical analysis is a method of evaluating stocks based on past price and volume data. This can be useful for predicting future price movements and identifying potential buying and selling opportunities. Fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating stocks based on the company's financials, management, industry trends, and other fundamental factors. This can be useful for identifying undervalued or overvalued stocks and making informed investment decisions. Options trading. Options trading is a more advanced strategy that involves buying and selling options contracts, which give the buyer the right to buy or sell a stock at a certain price within a certain time frame. This strategy can be risky but can also provide opportunities for higher returns. Section 4. Tips and tricks for successful investing. Invest for the long term. One of the keys to successful investing is to have a long-term perspective. Rather than trying to time the market or make quick profits, focus on building a diversified portfolio of stocks that you believe will perform well over the long term. Stay informed. Stay up to date on industry news, company financials, and economic indicators that can affect the stock market. This will help you make informed investment decisions and adjust your portfolio as needed. Don't panic. The stock market can be volatile and can experience ups and downs in the short term. Don't panic during market downturns or sell your stocks based on short-term fluctuations. Instead, stay focused on your long-term investment goals and stay the course. And that's it for today's video on investing in the stock market. We hope you found this informative and helpful. Remember, investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it's important to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and have a long-term perspective. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.